You chose this video to watch. Why? Because you want to learn life lessons from great philosopher of the world, right? You are on right and perfect video. You will learn so many things from this video about life. Watch this video till the end. Let's start. Know thyself, Socrates. Self-awareness is the key to understanding and improving oneself. The unexamined life is not worth living, Socrates. Reflect on your actions and beliefs to live a meaningful life. Moderation in all things, Aristotle. Avoid extremes and seek balance in all aspects of life. Virtue is the highest good, Aristotle. Strive for moral excellence and cultivate virtuous habits. Change is inevitable, Heraclitus. Embrace the impermanence of life and learn to adapt to change. Practice gratitude, Epictetus. Appreciate what you have rather than dwelling on what you lack. Accept what you cannot change, Epictetus. Focus on controlling your reactions and attitude rather than external events. The only constant is change, Heraclitus. Accept change as a natural part of life and learn to flow with it. Simplicity is the ultimate sophistication, Confucius. Find beauty and elegance in simplicity rather than complexity. The golden mean, Aristotle. Seek moderation and balance between extremes in all aspects of life. Live in harmony with nature, Zeno of Citium. Align your actions with the natural order of the universe to find peace and fulfillment. Seek wisdom, Pythagoras. Continuously pursue knowledge and wisdom to enrich your understanding of the world. True happiness comes from within, Epicurus. Find contentment by focusing on inner peace and tranquility rather than external pleasures. Know that you know nothing, Socrates. Remain humble and open-minded, recognizing the vastness of human ignorance. The purpose of life is a life of purpose, Aristotle. Find meaning and fulfillment by pursuing goals that align with your values and contribute to the greater good. Embrace change, Heraclitus. Rather than resisting change, embrace it as an opportunity for growth and transformation. Practice self-control, Epictetus. Develop discipline and restraint to govern your actions and emotions effectively. Live in the present moment, Marcus Aurelius. Focus on the here and now, as the present moment is all we truly have. Seek harmony of mind, body, and spirit, Pythagoras. Cultivate balance and integration among all aspects of your being for holistic well-being. Be kind to others, Confucius. Treat others with compassion, empathy, and respect, fostering harmonious relationships. Cultivate resilience, Seneca. Develop inner strength and resilience to overcome life's challenges with grace and perseverance. Practice mindfulness, Buddha. Cultivate awareness and presence in each moment, freeing yourself from attachment and suffering. Strive for excellence, Plato. Pursue excellence in all endeavors, recognizing that the journey of self-improvement is lifelong. Value friendship, Aristotle. Cherish meaningful connections with others, as genuine friendships enrich the quality of life. Live in accordance with virtue, Plato. Align your actions with virtuous principles such as honesty, integrity, and justice to lead a morally upright life.